So बच गई। अरे सीढ़ी हेलो 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 हंसता भी नहीं है। माय गॉड, मेरा जीवन में तो ट्रैकिंग चल रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है। ये बारिश हो रही है, मैं अकेले डूब रही हूँ। आज I'm looking sleepy because मैं बहुत देर से so cute हूँ because as you guys have seen in my previous video I'm not feeling good. I'm not feeling good. थोड़ा सा bit sick, but that's okay. I want to record something for Instagram. Finally, yes. So I'm just going to Karma, taking a walk. ऐसी चढ़ाई ऐसी हो जाती है थोड़ी सी ना, so my god, I'm not feeling hungry man. Might be because of the cough and cold. But that's okay. Let's go. Not ऐसा कुछ रिकॉर्ड नहीं करना है, but just normally this is the time for me. I feel like time to show off for my work, my thing, my purpose, which I'm meant to do. So yeah, and I have never mentioned my Instagram account, like not the actual one which I'm using from the long time, which is private so far, but the work profile which is core held. For that I'm just going to Karma to shoot something, just normal recording. Yeah, so I'm just going there. My voice tone has been changed. Seems like I love this man, this path actually. Yesterday as well I didn't go anywhere. I slept whole day, not whole day, but I slept early yesterday and I slept early yesterday and woke up so late. So yeah, let's go. एक और चीज़ भाई, सुबह से लाइट नहीं है तो मैंने किसी के लैपटॉप में फ़ोन चार्ज किया है, बस 5% है. सो लेट्स सी मेरा ये फ़ोन कितना साथ देता है मेरा. एंड ऑल्सो आई हैव टू रिकॉर्ड समथिंग टुडे. सो of this kind of house man, seriously I don't know why, but I love wooden houses, and you will see a lot of wooden houses here in Manali obviously. And one more thing, इधर पे ना वो जो पानी आ रहा है वो प्योर वाटर होता है, वो सीधे माउंटेन से आता है. सो इट्स लाइक ड्रिंकेबल वाटर, you can drink that water. Why I love Karma the most in Manali, because the sound of the river. It's a kind of therapy you get here, free therapy. Aish. Damn. Shik. Damn. Here it is. Yeah. I got a flower. Duplicator man. I saw a lady carrying bunch of flowers, so I asked, मेरे को दे दो एक. So she gave it to me. So I went to Karma, thought I'm gonna record. I mean, like, I thought I'm gonna record some videos, but damn, phone मेरा बंद हो चुका था. And now सांस चल रही है यार को. फ़ोन बंद हो गया था. फिर then I went to Krishna Dhaba for the chai, and there I charged my phone, and now I'm going back to the guest house. I know I'm looking sick. No, I'm perfectly fine. It's just my eyes are like a bit watery. Anyways, I'm back to my homestay, and you know what was you know, I was trying to find some volunteering opportunity here in Manali, so that's why I was not able to record much, because I was just trying to contact different properties for the volunteer work if they have. So let's see what happens. यार खरमा में बहुत सारा नुकसान हुआ है. पता है, पानी की दिशा बदल चुकी है. जो धारा होता है ना, मतलब कि my god, after I'm speaking after a long time like in this way, I'm a bit hesitant about it, it seems like. Anyways, so yes, tomorrow I have to check out from this property, and let's see where I go next. And I have never shared about what the hell I'm doing with the life, what is my purpose, why I'm doing whatever I'm doing, what I'm gonna do next. My god, I think I should like speak about everything, you know. No, if not everything, then something about something. Otherwise, why the hell I'm recording myself if there is no purpose for it? My god, my hairs are like white. That's fine. Aging like a fine wine. Anyway, so Manali is looking beautiful as usual. सामने snow दिख रहा है क्या? इसमें नहीं दिख रहा है यार. हाश, आज वीडियो भी रिकॉर्ड करना था, जो कि नहीं हुआ है खरमा पे, क्योंकि मेरा फ़ोन बंद हो चुका था. Why the hell I'm repeating the same line again and again? हाश. Anyways, so आज मेरे को वीडियो अपलोड करना है. I don't know what I'm gonna upload, but anyways, I have to. Consistency is important. I think my voice is like a bit what? It's not original voice. I can feel it. So yeah. So well, wow, I'm looking pretty. I'm back. डिनर करके आ गई हूँ मैं अभी, और कल जाने की तैयारी है यहाँ से, क्योंकि चेकआउट है. सो आई हैव टू पैक माई स्टफ अगेन. एंड यू नो व्हाट, आई रियली वांट टू बिल्ड माई लाइफ अराउंड ट्रैवल ओनली. मीन्स ऐसा लाइफस्टाइल बनाना है खुद के लिए, जो मतलब कि मैं ट्रैवल भी कर सकूं और काम भी होता रहे मेरा, और पैसे भी आते रहे. सो आई नो इट्स not that simple, but it is possible. Yes, I can do that. I know it. Wow, Manali is looking pretty. वैसे कुछ दिनों से मैं इसी उसमें थी कि मेरे को वॉलंटियरिंग का ऑप्शन मिल जाए. सो आई थिंक आई गॉट दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी. प्रॉपर्टी पास में ही है मनाली के, and obviously I cannot show you in this video because tomorrow I'm leaving, so you guys gonna see that property where I'm going tomorrow in the next video. So I'm a bit tired क्योंकि चढ़ के आ रही हूँ ऊपर यार, क्योंकि ये वाली प्रॉपर्टी थोड़ी सी ऊपर है, चढ़ना पड़ता है. so after dinner, you know, ऐसे सीढ़ी वाली चढ़ने में you obviously you get tired. So wow. So yeah, I'm excited about the new opportunity, and obviously now time to focus on my life. even though I'm focusing on my life, but still life ऐसी है ना कि you get distracted easily. So am I. I'm a human as well. But yes, pretty amazing. Life has been amazing so far. God has been kind enough to help me, to give me strength and courage so that I can live the life, which actually I wanted to live. And I'm living that life, but it's still uh, breaking the pattern of the society, breaking the pattern of the family is not that simple. The way it looks on camera and the video, because you fight a lot of war within you, within your head, you know. It doesn't come easily. Yeah, because you go through with a lot of conditioning of the mind and all, and obviously you have to break that conditioning. You have to relearn, rewire your mind, your subconscious mind, everything. You have to think like in a way where क्या बोलूँ कि आपको you have to think like what kind of life actually you want to live. Then you have to rewire your brain, you have to train your brain in that way only, you know, because old belief system, old conditioning, old pattern doesn't support your new lifestyle or the life you actually want to live. So obviously you have to put new ideas, new thought process, new belief system, and it doesn't come easy. I know. Yeah, because हमारी society ऐसी है. Because it's just not easy, man, but it's possible for sure. That's why, you know, I have never shared about I have never talked about my own life so much. I have just shown you people like what I'm doing at this moment, where I'm going. That's it, nothing much. But background में hell amount of चीज़ें हो रही होती हैं. And the people who knows me, they know me personally, so they know, and they can understand what I'm talking about, you know, like seriously. Yes, so it's time for me to show more about my own life, my own issues, my own challenges, you know. So I think this is the right time to come up with the real actually me. Well, I have been honest so far, but that was just friction of me which I was showing on the video. And for me it has never been that easy to talk about everything, you know. And I know I'm not going to talk about everything, but पहले से जो ज़्यादा चीज़ें, मतलब पहले जितना मैं कुछ भी नहीं बोल रही थी, so now at least I'm going to talk about something. So yes, because I'm a highly private person. I love to lead my life in a private way. I love to keep my life as private as I can, but this world doesn't reward, you know, privacy so much. You have to speak about something, then only you will be able to sell, or you will be able to, like, then only audience and the other people will be able to relate, right? So even I'm learning, I'm a human as well, you know, because I have been through so much hardship and the challenges, emotional battle जो मेरे दिमाग में चल रही थी कब से, सदियों से, सालों से, not सदियाँ obviously सालों से. So because of that I was not able to speak about things, my own personal issues, my own challenges, my own inner issues, you know. So but now I know I'm enough, I'm capable, I'm sufficient for myself. So I don't care about judgment now. I don't care about what people are gonna say. So yes, you never know who's gonna take the inspiration, who's gonna get the admiration from me. So it's better to share my journey and put it on here on YouTube or Insta. Yes, my core help page, that is gonna be my work profile, and that is my work page where I was not posting much because of my own consciousness, my own inner insecurities. But it's a human nature, right? Everybody goes through with some kind of issues, inner challenges, but we overcome by doing that. So yes, I'm ready for my new life. Anyways, so कल जाना है मुझे, so I'm gonna go pack my stuff. वीडियो भी अपलोड करना है और एडिट भी नहीं किया मैंने अभी तक यार. So wow, what a background, man. I think I'm gonna upload this. Wait, I'm gonna take a photo and I'm gonna put it on the thumbnail. Let's see. Anyways, आज का video, I don't know what I have covered. I don't think so much I have covered, but still I have to upload, right? Because of algorithm. More than algorithm, consistency. So yes, see you in the next video at the new property where I'm gonna volunteer. So yeah, see you. Bye bye. Good night and take care.